Hello, my name is Mark Tuxford and we're here today at the Business Show for People Behind Brands podcast. Come and join us to see how we get on.
Hi, I'm Jack Atkins. I work in the sales team here at Navro. So Navro is a global payments and treasury solution, but very much specialised in the sort of global payments workforce market.
I am Peter Lewis. I'm the founder of Reimagine Learning.
Tell me a little bit more about your business.
So I do fractional learning and development. So I work with small, medium-sized enterprises and help them develop their people, but on a part-time, as-needed basis when it's needed most.
I'm Ollie and we're Virtualim. We're a workforce management system. Our target market is SMEs, and our goal really is to improve and streamline the management of smaller companies.
I'm Tim Meredith. I'm the CEO at Board Studio.
And what brings you to the show today?
Well, we're here to show off some big changes to our product. So we have launched a number of new AI features to help improve customer experience for existing customers, and we have a great new international numbering capability and a lot of new features that are really going to help businesses in the UK and globally.
My name's Nyla. I'm from Buckingham Legal Associates and I'm an immigration lawyer.
And what brings you to the Business Show today?
Basically, we're working with businesses who want to hire people from abroad. We've got people working here who are migrants, just making sure that they know we're here and if they need any of our services.
My name is Stella. I work at Advin. We're a fintech startup. We're a payments collection platform. We do three main things. We do direct debit, we do payment links, and we also do credit control, so all-in-one payment solution.
I'm a seasoned chartered accountant and tax specialist at Matpless Chartered Accountants.
And how are you finding the show so far?
Yeah, it has been brilliant. We've been participating in the business show for the past 2 years, and every year the results are turning out to be brilliant and greater.
So my name's Adam, I'm the founder of Scouted. We're launching a new football app which is going to be launched in Q2, Q3 next year, and it's to digitalise the football community, take it all online. So effectively what we're looking to do is build the first player database outside of the professional level for grassroots, amateur, non-league, semi-professional and the women's game.
Okay, I'm Ted Wigsell, I'm the founder of Your Business Community. We're more commonly known as YBC. We are a business support service. I've run businesses all my life, and it occurred to me about 12 years ago, as a small business, if you get a problem, you don't have any departments to handle it, so we solve problems for small business owners.
Okay, that's a wrap for today's The Business Show here at the London XL. Join us for the full video on our YouTube channel at People Behind Brands. Also, audio podcast platform episodes available on Spotify and Apple Podcasts.